everyone, it's Dave here from Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. We got a very special episode today as we're being taken over by Dr. Matt from the University of Pittsburgh at Johnstown. He's going to show you how to make banana pudding egg rolls. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun.
Dr. Matt here. I'm so excited to be helping out with Fox Hollow Kitchen today. We're going to make these delicious banana pudding egg rolls, a fun little sweet treat for when you're looking for something fun in your life. All right, we're going to make some vanilla pudding to start off here and dump that into our bowl. And here's where we're going to go a little bit off the reservation. We're going to use 1.25 cups of milk instead of what the recipe calls for on the box. So we're going to make it a little different. Okay. Add that milk in there. And now the fun part. Just whisk this up until it's nice and smooth. Get all those lumps out. Alright. Now let this refrigerate for a few minutes. Let it thicken up a little bit.
Sounds good.
Alright, now we're going to crush up some vanilla wafers. These are going to give us a little crust on our egg rolls once we're done frying them. So put these all into our little food processor here. Put the lid on. And now the fun part. There we go. Well, them down to a nice fine crumb so we can roll those egg rolls in when we're done. Alright, banana for scale. We're going to peel our bananas and slice them up for our banana pudding egg rolls. Get this peel off. And to make it a little bit easier for us, one thing we're going to do, I'm going to snip off these little ends. We're going to about thirds here. Pop them in the bowl.
Okay.
Get that banana. And repeat the process until you've peeled and sliced all your bananas. Alright, so now we're going to start assembling our banana pudding egg rolls. We have our pudding that we pre-made earlier. Just going to get a little of this. And right in the middle of this egg roll wrapper, put a little dollop. Put one of our fresh cut bananas. It's important you wet the outside of your egg roll wrapper here so it sticks to itself. So just a little dip your finger in some water. Fold one end up. Fold the sides in. And then make yourself a little package. There you go. So one there. Get a little more pudding. You don't want too much pudding here because you don't want it to leak out of your egg roll, but you want enough that you're going to taste it. You want to enjoy this. Get some water. And then we assemble. These are going to be delicious. Alright, and one last one here. Put our pudding in there. Get a banana. Let me just wet the outsides, make sure it sticks. Fold from there, up the sides, and tuck it into bed.
Okay.
Alright, first we're going to put these into our hot oils at 350 degrees. You want to be careful lowering this in because you don't want to go too fast. It's real gentle.
Just want to drop them in there, okay.
Yes indeed, drop them right on in. Look at that sizzle. We'll do about 3 at a time.
Okay, that sounds good.
We don't want to overcrowd our oil too much.
Right.
Alright, now that you're nice and golden brown, we're going to pull these out and roll them right in those vanilla wafers we crushed up earlier.
Okay.
Get a good little crust on there.
Good.
And set it right on paper towels to dry.
Okay.
Make sure you shake off your excess oil. You don't want to carry over too much.
Yep.
Give it a little roll. And boom. Rattle and roll.
Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna do some more.
Let's do some more. Set that down. I think we even try 4 this time.
All right.
And now we play the waiting game. Now it's time for the best part, the taste test. This is delicious. You get that the vanilla pudding, a little hint of banana, the crunch from the vanilla wafers. This is delicious. You gotta try it.
Wrapping up today, I want to thank you all for joining us and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food only on Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. We'll see you soon.
If you like this video or any of their other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.